Come on, horses are over here. Let's go! All right, draw attention. I swear I'll feed those bastards their balls. Carlos.
See?
We're here for Luisa. She's still being held up in the caves?
Yes. She's still up there. Who's the cowboy?
We're here to help.
Muy bien. I can distract the guards. You and the gringo can get inside.
Let's do it.
I will keep them talking, senor. The rest I will leave to you.
Hope you're ready for this.
Hey, stay away from me. Hey, hola. ¿Qué tal?
¿Qué quieres? ¡No puedes estar aquí!
Hace calor hoy. Bien bochornoso, ¿verdad?
No lo voy a decir otra vez. ¡No puedes estar aquí!
Oye, soy yo, Carlos. Pues trabajo en el matadero.
No me importa quién eres. Esta es una zona militar prohibida. Vete a casa.
Me gustan sus botas. Muy bonitas. Mi hermana tiene las mismas.
Pinche campesino de mierda. Te voy a colgar al lado de tus cerdos.
Váyanse al infierno, traidores.
That's our cue. Follow me, we'll shoot our way in there. You're not covering me!
You should start worrying, friend!
Nearly there! Follow me! That's it, partner!
Cortando mis armas.
Drop that bastard, Marston! What are you doing back there? My lord!
This gringo ain't happy, amigo!
Don't give him any room! Must be this door. Looks like we might need a little dynamite to get it open. Keep watch while I get it ready.
Toma,
Deal with those bastards, Marston. Get behind the table. I'm gonna blow it. Stand back, damn it! Here goes. Come on, boy! Poor girl's barely alive. Let's...
You must be the pendejos I keep hearing about!
Diablo!
Well done, sir. I taught you well.
¡Toma, imbécil! This sure is pleasant!
Hurry before they send more guards.
Not bad, Marston! Just run off home!
That's it, partner. Left! Here comes more.
I need to get out of here!
Marston, come on. This is our chance. Damn, where the hell is Carlo?
Whoa, whoa!
There he is. Talk about cutting it fine.
Luisa, gracias a Dios.
Thank you for saving me. You're good men. Friends of the people of this land.
Was someone named Harvey Escuela one of the men holding you?
No, I don't know. I don't think so. But I remember that name from prison. Bad people spoke of him.